In this video, I'm going to show you how to register for your document processing class so you can complete your weekly homework. So this class has a special website where most of your work is going to be completed, and you need to register for it using your book. So you should have received this box, which contains your books for the class and also an access code. So the first step is to go to Moodle for this class, right? So this is Document Processing, or DLP 105. So here I've gone to the Moodle, and what I'm going to do is scroll down and look for GDP. So GDP is the website where you're going to be completing your homework. So you're going to go to Moodle for Document Processing and scroll down and look for GDP. On this particular class, here's the link right here for GDP, right? It's this orange link, it says GDP software. Depending on how your Moodle is set up, it might also look like this, right? So here's another classes, document processing. And if you scroll down, you'll see here the link is in step 2, right? It says step 2, click here to access GDP site. So either way, whether it looks like that or like this, you're gonna click on this link. And it opens a new little window up here. And I'm just gonna make this window full size so I can see everything. So the first time you use this website, you don't have a username already. So you need to create one, right? Your school login won't work here. You actually need to create an account. So you're gonna go down here to this brown box and click on I have a code or need courtesy access. So you're gonna click yes here, you do attend to Mildred Ellie, and then no here, you don't have a username yet. Check off this little box right here, click next again. And so here you're gonna scroll through and look for your particular class. And each instructor should post on their Moodle the particular name of the class as it appears in this list, right? So this class is DLP 105 MG Fall 2 2022 LT. So I'm gonna go back over to this window and I'm just gonna look for that. And it is, let me see, right here, right? DLP 105 MG Fall 2 2022 LT. So whatever class you're in, you look on Moodle and see what the name is, and then click here, it turns yellow, and then click next. So this is where you're gonna put in your registration code. So you're gonna go into your box, right? Here are your books, and this has your registration code in it. If you turn it over and peel this back, and then pull out this card, that's the code right there, that RGRGR. Right, so I'm gonna go over here and type it in. If you haven't received this box yet, if you're still waiting on it from the school, you can always do the courtesy access for now, though you will need your book as soon as possible. And I'm just gonna use that right now for this demonstration. Click next. And now you're just gonna fill this in. You're gonna create an account here. So you can put in your first name, your last name. You can use your school email here or your personal one, and then your student ID. And then you're gonna create a username and the password and the confirm password. If you don't know your student ID, that's okay. You can just, it doesn't really matter for the purposes of this class. So you can just put in some numbers, whatever combination of numbers it will accept is fine. So again, you're just gonna create a password here, a username, make sure you write those down and have your computer save them so that you can log in the future. And that is all it takes to register for this website.